Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY right now. If you have watched my previous videos, then you can see that today I have a new setup. Yes, I have removed all the previous lines here because I can see that market has formed a symmetrical triangle pattern here. Generally, I do not talk much about patterns, but yes, the pattern of symmetrical triangle pattern is quite visible here. In symmetrical triangle pattern, generally we see market forming higher lows, as well as when market is going up, you can see that market is unable to cross the previous high and market is constantly forming higher lows and lower highs. So sorry, I always get confused with higher lows and lower highs. So here you can see market is unable to cross the previous high, so market is forming higher lows here. Constantly market is forming higher lows, and on the downside when market is coming down, it is also not breaking the previous lows, rather it is forming lower highs. So whenever we get a scenario like this, it is considered as a symmetrical triangle pattern, and generally it is considered as a bullish triangle pattern. Okay, and the next important point is we have this trend line acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, and on the downside we have this trend line as the dynamic support for the market. So if you do not have these lines, then I'll request you to draw this line so that you can analyze the market better, so you can also take proper decisions. And so this one is the resistance, dynamic resistance, and this one is the support. Clear? Okay. And as you can see, the market is just standing at the resistance here, and this makes it a very lucrative position or sweet position to take the sell order, isn't it? Yes, but the problem is that market has been testing this level too many times. If you have watched my other videos also, or if you have been watching my channel for quite some time, then you know it very well that if you find market testing a level too many times, then at one point of time market breaks the level, because the level loses its strength. Whether it is support or resistance doesn't matter. You can see market has been testing this level for a long time, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this is the 8th time market is testing this level. So whenever we get a scenario like this, the particular level or the trend line, whatever it is, it becomes very confusing whether to trust it or not. Honestly speaking, you should be avoiding sell position right now, because I have been, see, you know it very well that if I have an open position, if I get a good opportunity in the market, I tell you clearly that you can take the order here, you can buy here, you can sell here. But I also speak clearly if you do not have any opportunity as well. So yes, you can take a sell position here, but this sell position is not at all trustworthy, because market has been testing this level too many times. That's it. But if market comes down to the level of 153, around 153 level, there is a possibility of market bouncing from this particular trend line, because unlike the resistance at the top, market did not test the support too many times. The support is still very much valid for us. So if market jumps or bounces from the trend line at the bottom taking support, I think we can go for a buy position. And if market breaks the trend line also, yes, if market breaks the trend line at the top, wait for 4 to 6 hours and just observe the price and see. Why? Because symmetrical triangle pattern is generally a bullish triangle pattern. If market breaks the trend line at the top and starts going up, wait for 4 to 6 hours and just observe the price. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading comfortably, if you find market bullish enough to trade, you can go for buy as well. Just make sure that waiting time is extremely important, because the waiting time gives you the confirmation that whether this is a proper real breakout or not. Once you see that market is doing good enough above this trend line, you can go for a buy. And if market comes down to a trend line support and bounces, you can also go for a buy here. But right now at this particular level, I'll suggest you to avoid, because market has been testing this level too many times. So let's see. So bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow then. And if you have liked the video, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye.